So the sixth D, right, which is what the dreams. What are the dreams of your target audience? What do they want? Okay. So what are the dreams of your target audience? Because they are coming to you because you can help them reach closer to their dreams. What are your dreams, first of all, which is for internal clarity. Then with your products or services, what are the dreams you are helping fulfill through your products and services? Are you helping your target audience reach closer to their dreams? So you are a teacher for physics for clearing NEET exam. So what happens when somebody has cleared the NEET exam? They are getting placed in their preferred university. They can choose where they want to join rather than taking something that comes their way. So knowing the desires, dreams and desires of your target audience. Okay. The seventh D is the desires of your target audience. Why are they coming for NEET coaching? Why are they coming for NEET coaching? Why they do want to score well? Okay. What are their dreams and desires? Because people pay money for their future with you. So the conversions will happen if you know how to communicate their dreams and desires via your products and offerings, helping them reach more closer to their dreams and goals in life, dreams and desires in life. Now this becomes the outcome of your program, then your conversions go up. The sales happen because people take out money for their future with you. But most of the time you end up talking about the features of your products and offerings.